Welcome to the vocabulary course. Here you will hear the word in English and then in French. There will be a short pause for you to repeat it. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so you don't miss any more lessons. Good luck.
Laundry,
Blanchisserie,
washing machine,
machine à laver,
dryer,
sèche-linge,
ironing station,
station de repassage,
laundry service,
service de blanchisserie,
shirt service,
service de chemise,
cleaning,
nettoyage,
stain removal,
détachage,
dry cleaning,
nettoyage à sec,
textile cleaning,
nettoyage des textiles,
special cleaning,
nettoyage spécialisé,
leather cleaning,
nettoyage du cuir,
down cleaning,
nettoyage des duvets,
silk cleaning,
nettoyage de la soie,
carpet cleaning,
nettoyage de tapis,
curtain cleaning,
nettoyage de rideaux,
bedding,
literie,
pillows,
oreiller,
blankets,
couverture,
clothing,
vêtements,
suit,
costume,
blouse,
blouse,
shirt,
chemise,
trousers/pants,
pantalon,
skirt,
jupe,
dress,
robe,
jacket,
veste,
coat,
manteau,
scarf,
écharpe,
gloves,
gants,
cap,
bonnet,
laundry basket,
panier à linge,
laundry bag,
sac à linge,
drying rack,
étendoir à linge,
detergent,
lessive,
fabric softener,
adoucissant,
stain remover salt,
sel détachant,
bleach,
eau de javel,
color refresher,
raviveur de couleur,
wool detergent,
lessive pour laine,
hypoallergenic detergent,
lessive hypoallergénique,
delicate detergent,
lessive délicate,
pick-up receipt,
reçu de retrait,
cleaning costs,
coût de nettoyage,
pick-up appointment,
rendez-vous pour retrait,
express cleaning,
nettoyage express,
delivery,
livraison,
ironing service,
service de repassage,
self-service,
libre service,
washing program.
programme de lavage.
If you like this format, please support my work on Patreon. You'll find the link in the video description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like it, and if you like, let me know in the comments which words or topics you'd like to explore next. Until the next video. And remember, repetition is key.